Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 4C, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smart band. To do it, simply press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the menu, then tap on the more icon. Now scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it, and here we have the brightness option. Tap on this option, and now we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus or minus buttons. Set the brightness to the level you like, and then press the touch sensitive button to go back, like this. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.